So hello guys, this is my RayZR. You know I have done lots of modification on this scooter. As you can see, I upgraded additional lights over here. Upgraded the strobe lights. It has complete set of underglow lights as well. You won't be able to see, but you can see the other video. I have 16 patterns in indicators. I have additional horns. Two types of horns are there. One is the siren horn. So I believe due to this, my battery, when battery died, it was Excite. And this is my second experience with Excite. As you know, I have changed the battery for this car as well recently. So Excite batteries die before their warranty expiry. So I have chosen to buy Amaron Pro Bike Rider this time. And one thing I noticed online is you can see the model number is AP-BTZ5L. Okay, this is supposed to be 5 ampere battery as per the nomenclature, but online I saw it's 4 ampere. And even though the amperes is the main parameter of battery, no one mentions the amperage on the battery. Okay, so I will open this right away. So you get the screws inside the battery. These are two bolts with its nuts, and nuts are supposed to go inside these terminals, both of terminals. There are two nuts, two bolts. Let me open the battery for you. So this is how the battery looks. It's pretty heavy. All my past experience with Amaron has been very good, because you know I had heavy sound systems in my car. So warranty is 48 months, 24 months is for free replacement. FR means free replacement, and 24 months is for pro rata basis. Pro rata means you will get some discount, and it's in percentage as per battery life. But trust me, I gave Amaron now, Excite now in exchange for this one. So I got only 150 rupees discount. So this battery costed me 1200 rupees in offline market. So now we'll install it. You can see this RayZR is a FI system vehicle. It's a BS6 vehicle. It's not starting, okay. And when I tested the old battery, the battery testing tool, their equipment showed that that battery is good technically. I'm not sure if this vehicle will start even after replacement of battery or not, but fingers crossed. I spent a lot on this vehicle modification. I don't want to lose this vehicle. Okay, and a few days ago I got the engine check light as well over here, and I believe that should be because of battery low voltage only. But the old battery showed voltage of 12.2 volts. See, dog and cat fight is going on. So old battery voltage was 12.2 volts. I am really not sure if that was a bad battery or not. One mistake I did, I should have removed the battery from some other vehicle to just test it, and then I should have brought new one. But let it be. Let's see how it goes. Stay tuned. This is how you get the nuts and bolts. So this nut you are supposed to push inside this, like this. Okay, same way on other side. So I installed the battery. This is for positive terminal, this is for negative. It has lots of fuses and high-tech technology. Due to BS6 model, it has a fuel injection. Now I will switch on the vehicle. Hopefully it should start. Okay, so I will not give the starter, I will kick start for the beginning. Oh, perfect. So what used to happen, you know, I used to give the race and then vehicle used to shut off. Oh, that is not the case now. I don't know, the injectors, the fuel injection system needs a strong battery supply in this case. So that's why vehicle was shutting off. I was worried that if my piston is bad, because I had not done servicing, and I don't know oil level. You can see check engine light is over here. So I was worried if that is because of oil level, because that is horrible thing, because this vehicle gives very nice mileage. I get around 55, even though I'm rough driver. I'm rash driver in short. Still I get 55. Okay, so vehicle is in good condition, but I think I should not take risk. I should give it for service now because I'm worried now. Such things should not happen again and again. Okay, anyway, battery was bad in that case. That was the real reason. Now let me close this compartment. These are the attachments. I will close, and then we will shut off the engine and we'll retry to start it via starter. So I covered it. I did everything myself, so I saved around 100 rupees and I had good learning, and I had no other choice to do it myself, because the vehicle stopped moving completely and it used to leave bad smell. That's why I was worried if the fuel is not good or something. So vehicle is perfect. Now I will switch it on ignition mode, on self start. This has a soft start, so you won't hear any noise from starter, but vehicle should turn on. Now let's see if this dims. Okay, what used to happen in previous battery, this display used to go fade away and then it used to restart. Okay, now my expectation is this display should not fade away. Vehicle should start without dimming any of the indication, like vehicle should not get any load. The battery is capable enough to start vehicle. Okay, so all the display remained as it is and vehicle started perfectly. So I'm very happy now. Okay, now I'll drop this vehicle for servicing. I was not willing to drop it for servicing now because of see this rain. So I will get this vehicle cleaned, and because of all this mud all around Pune, it will be horrible again. So let me show you the customization I did. Okay, so it has two horns. This is normal horn, this is siren horn. It has you can see these strobe lights. Now let me change the mode. These strobe lights also work on normal indicator. So I will change these bulbs. Okay, these are also consuming lots of power. Now let me show you the pattern I have. So there are two extra indicators you can see, as well as two stock indicators, two strobe lights, and two indicators will glow at the back side. Whenever I start this now, I can feel the load on engine. And if I start everything, now I have upgraded the headlight as well. It's a projector headlight. See, and it's a dual color headlight. So this is low beam, this is high beam. Now I have installed underglow lights as well. It won't be very bright at this point of time because it's covered in mud, you can see, but after washing it will look brilliant. So there are lights all over. So you saw the difference. Once I start this, the engine makes different type of sound. See, the RPM is reduced. Once I switch it off, RPM increases. So these BS6 vehicles are pretty delicate. You can do these things on old vehicles, BS3, BS4, but not on BS6 due to fuel injectors. You should use them carefully. That was my quick video on my new battery and how to do it yourself. Thanks for watching. You love.